Conserving and restoring the planet's tropical forest landscapes is critical for addressing many of our pressing environmental and social challenges. Tropical Forest Landscapes is a Yale online certificate where you will learn to design, implement, and monitor effective conservation and restoration initiatives. This program is designed to integrate scientific research, local knowledge, and applied experience from many sources and perspectives, so you have the most relevant information to support your land use decisions.
Through 4 thematic courses, a capstone project, and a field course, participants develop the skills and networks they need to create meaningful and locally adapted environmental solutions.
The fundamentals, like the people in the landscapes, like the strategies in conservation and the financial aspects of conservation very much fit to what are being needed in the community.
This program is built for working professionals. The online format means you can learn from anywhere in the world on a flexible schedule.
I think that was the perfect size, and it's a very good format. So you get a lot of flexibility to decide when you want to work on the classes.
This program has a strong focus on peer-to-peer learning. You'll be working as a cohort, giving feedback on each other's work and projects, and interacting in the live discussions.
I'm from East Africa and I've never traveled to Southeast Asia, but I get to hear stories in conservation, forest management from that part. So it enriches my skills and knowledge that I lacked before.
Through the capstone project, participants gain practical skills to design and implement their own initiatives.
I was able to really learn a lot of new tools and concepts that I could apply in my field, and then the capstone project really helped me learn how to stitch those ideas together.
The Tropical Forest Landscape Program offers an opportunity for professionals anywhere in the world to access Yale and global experts and use that to create meaningful environmental change.
I think really the certificate has given us such an amazing tools to put our actions into practice, and I really appreciate that a lot.